Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to see if there's an opportunity to go short on Euro US dollar and why we could see the market fall a little bit further. So taking a quick look at the weekly time frame, the reason we wanted to be short originally from this area here was because the block of candlesticks here is where the institutions were doing their business. Okay, that's how they hide their orders. They hide their orders with these consolidation patterns. Now, when price came back up to that point, we wanted to see if sellers would re-enter the market, which they did, and push prices further down. Now, the market is in an overall uptrend. We can know that because we're getting higher highs and higher lows on the weekly time frame. So I'm looking for the market retracement phase to end at another point of control, which is in this area here, and which rests at 118.31. And we haven't quite tested that yet. If I go down into the 4 hour and just zoom in slightly, you can see that we haven't quite tested that level just yet, which makes me think that we're going to get another move back down towards this 118.31. Now, you know, when we look at our daily impulses and retracement phases, that in a daily retracement phase, we typically see the market making higher highs and higher lows. Some occasions where we get a false breakout to the upside, but here we have higher highs and higher lows. When the daily impulses to the downside, the 4 hour makes lower lows and lower highs. And now price has come back into an area where we saw really strong support recently. Okay, so now price has come back into this point. Could we see resistance here and price move back down towards that 118.31? Now, I don't like to jump in just on the 4 hour candlesticks. I like to see how the market is shaping up at this point, and I like to see what happens with trend. So I'd like to see another push down from euro, a pullback up, and a double top pattern. Double top patterns are really good for identifying false breakouts in the market, identifying where the sort of key market is going to head towards. Okay, so if we see a rejection of this previous structure high, so if you actually go to our YouTube videos, you can see the trading guide and how to master the false breakout pattern. A double top is essentially like a false breakout pattern because price will pull down, pull back up, try and break through the highs, but reject it. This is why it's such a strong strategy, is because it creates almost a fear with long traders. So you kind of have a win-win scenario if you're on the short side of things in a downtrending market. If you wait for price to come to the resistance level and form a double top, and then price starts to come back within this area, then the buyers that are trying to buy the breakout will want to get out of their positions. That basically adds more sell orders into the position. So I want to see price double top here. Then I want to see price break through these sort of trend lines and break the lows, and then look for the continuation short down to that key structure low just through here. So Euro US dollar setting up for a potential move. We need to be patient though. We need to see the 4 hour trend start making some moves. Obviously as well, we do have previous 4 hour structure in here, so ultimately we have two levels to be aware of. We have 1957 and we have 1.2. If price heads up to 1.2, we'll look for the exact same thing. Look for that false breakout pattern, that double top pattern. That'll give you the opportunity to take a short position. Thanks for watching this video update, and I'll see you in the next one.